here we go again. I'm on the sort of muddier end of the beach, as you can see. This stuff is it's not great for detecting here. Plus we're near the pub. A lot of rubbish comes up through here, so I'm going to work my way over to the shoreline. I'm going to work my way up and see how many lead weights we can get today, or anything else that pops out. So we'll come back to you when we find something. Beautiful day as well. Bye for now. Well, like an idiot, I've forgotten my headphones, but that's not going to stop us. We'll carry on and see what we can get. Alright, on we go. Well, it's a start. One weight. There we go. One big lump of lead. And there's another one. Just in there. Virtually brand new. Stuck in that stinky mud. And I'll get that washed off properly. But yeah, there you go. That's another one. And another one in the bag. Complete. Happy days. Oh, there's another little round one. Homemade by the looks of it. Yeah. Homemade disc. Cool. And there's the next one of those big things, look. Those big rings. I'll call them polos. Somebody did tell me, James told me what these are, but I'll call it a polo. A lumpy polo. Big one. And this one's rather a perfect disc. See that? Oh. Yeah, big lumpy disc. Yep, that's definitely lead. Alright. And another one. I'm actually working in a grid, so I'm sort of going up and down the beach in a set area, and it's working quite well, so we'll carry on. And another one, another wiggly worm, wiggling away into the black sand there. There's another big one, smothered in mud. In fact, it's been well and truly mashed as that one. Look at that. Is that alright? Clobbering. Right, we'll get it cleaned up and we'll take it with us. That's the next one there. I don't know what that's been. It's made out of lead though. But yeah, we'll take that. Somebody's used it as a fishing weight, I think. Bizarre thing. And there's another little surface find just here as well. Look, a fishing lure. There you go. Big old fishing lure. Don't know what to do with these. Are these usable? Anybody? Let's have a look. A quick rinse off. Look, my shovel's falling over. Is that reusable? I'll hang on to it. I think I'll start. If they've got these eyes on either end, I'll hang on to these. Somebody can tell me whether they're usable, whether they're worth anything. Alright, on we go. Well, there's a lure from this hole here, and it's complete. It's even got the eye in it there. So that's a nice thing. Keep hold of that. And there's another one. Man, these are coming up thick and fast today. It's a good system anyway. For these, finding these lead weights is brilliant. There we go. Spoon weight. Oh, there you go, there's one. Literally just sitting on the surface. Little snail on it. Goodbye, snailio. But yeah, I reckon at this rate, if I was to just concentrate on doing lead weights, gosh, I could probably pay for a detector. The Viking, you know, this thing that I'm using is just over £100, so I reckon if I was to do this for 6 months it'd pay for it. But we'll keep on going anyway. There you go, I like it when they come up like that. A little bit of fishing line. There's the weight. Muddy. But hey, we'll wash it and take it. Are you keeping count so far? Because I'm not. And there's another one. Oh my goodness gracious, what the heck is that? Jeez Louise. I don't know if that is a lump of lead. No, it looks like a caster wheel, does that? Yeah. Let me rinse it off and we'll have a look. Well, there you go. No, it's definitely a cast fishing weight. There's a hole through it there, all the way through. It's out both sides. What a very bizarre thing, shape. Yeah, you get it all, don't you? Especially when they're homemade. So signal just here, and there's a bit of fishing line, so let's see if we can find out what that is. No, it's a bit of fishing line. Right, let's see if I can... So I'll take that line away with me. See if I can find out where it is. Okay, let's try the pinpointer. I thought it was going to come out with the line then. There we go, we're on. Still in there. Let's see if we can get it. Hang on. Is that it there? Some more line? Nope. It's a bit of God knows what. Right, let's see if we can find this here now. Alright, well it's out, it's here somewhere. Some on a little boat doing a bit of fishing, he's got his radio blaring out, so it's in there. There it is. Yeah, another big weight. Jeez, that's really annoying music as well. Do us a favour, mate. Give us all the rest. There we go. Alright, let's carry on. A roundy ball type thing this time. Oh, two of them. Two of them attached together. What's that for you? A pair of balls. Yeah. Okay. And there's another one. Little homemade lump of lead by the looks of it. Yeah, well, piece of scrap lead by the looks of it actually. Yeah, that's just scrap, that's not been a weight that. And that's another one that I can see. Again, it's got a bit of line attached to it and a lot of mud. But yeah, mud washes off at the end of the day. Yeah, that's perfectly usable. Virtually new. Cool. Well, I have truly, well and truly lost count, boys and girls. There's another one. Oh my god. Loads of mud on it. That's this beach is like sandy mud, and then that really dirty, filthy, thick black mud underneath as well. Oh jeez, yeah, again perfectly usable that one. And there we go. There's another big one. Yep, I'm not saying no to that. The bag's getting very heavy now. That's a 5 ounce weight because it's got a 5 on it. Yeah, there you go, number 5, brought to you by number 5. Okay, well, what I might do is I might work my way down one more, and then we'll go up over the other side, over the little walkway, and to the side that faces the gairlock, and we'll see what we can find there. Right back shortly. Well, yeah, not got to the other side yet, but there's another one. Smaller one, probably a 2 ounce, maybe a 3. Let's see if it's got a number on it. There's no number on this one, but hey, we'll take it, because as we know, they all add up. Right, this is the last one up this side. Look, there's another big one. Yeah, I'll take that. Cool. As you can see, I'm on the opposite side now. There's a lighthouse over there. As I said to you before, here's the clay. Look, there's the clay. There's the stuff that gets stuck into it. There's a nice big weight for us. Not just they just sit and that's it. They don't go anywhere. So ideal spot for coins, an ideal spot for gold as well, because gold or any precious metal gets stuck in there. But I've not found gold yet, but one day. Well, that looks like the end of our day, boys and girls. The tide's coming right in now. It wasn't a particularly low tide either. Again, it was 0.6 odd meters, so quite a high tide. But hey, we got plenty today, so I'm going to head home to, well, back to where the car is, and head home, and we'll see what we've got. Alright, bye for now. Well, there's another spoon weight, just like I say, on the way back now. Oh, I nearly lost it in the hole again, where it'll get out of. There we go. So you can see it. Yeah, another big spoon weight. Well, there's another lure on the way home. Hang on to it. There we go. There's another one. Oh, yeah, virtually new. Not been in there long. Still usable. Still got a loop on it. Yeah. Oh man, I'm not going to get home at this rate. There's another one. Another big one. Oh. Yeah, another big one. Still with a loop on it. There you go. Well, that was about the extent of it there. So let's have a quick look, and well, actually, I'll get a bag and we'll weigh it as well. But yeah, I'll show you this. I got a bar internal screw stopper, iron brew. Well, AG bars stopper anyway. They were in use up to the 1970s, believe it or not, when I was a kid. I never saw these, but apparently they were still in use then. But yeah, anyway, so there's the lead. Wow. Whew. Some amount of the stuff. And the weight of it soon adds up. The fishing lures, yeah, let's have a quick look. That one's quite nice. It's got the eye. So that's definitely a usable one. I might see if I can offload that somewhere, or I might just save them up and sell them as a job lot. So yeah, there's that one, and a couple of these ones that maybe polish up. I don't know. I'll have a look, because I think I've got some brasso or some metal polish or something. So yeah, so I've got 2 of those. And then yeah, good old selection of lead weights. Everything from these two balls, pair of balls, fastened together. Lots of homemade stuff. Also we got that's homemade. Oh yeah, the spoon weights. These are homemade things as well. So yeah, flat on one side, and so yeah, good selection. Anyway, another spoon weight there. You can see what it was poured in. So let's have a look. In total I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 I think that is. Just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yeah, 27 lead weights. Right, let me just get a bag and we'll get the scales out and weigh them as well. Right, well it's all in the bag there. The scales are all set up, so I'm going to reckon it's about 2.5 kilos this time. Let's see what we get. Oh, hey, I'm not doing too bad here. 2.599. 2.5 kilos. Well, getting a bit light. If you enjoyed that, then you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up there, and I'll see you on the next one. Right, bye for now.